students, I welcome you to my channel Ritu Good Maths Classes. In today's video, we are going to do question number 6 of exercise 5.2. Differentiate the function with respect to x. Cos x cube into sine square x raised to power 5. First of all, we will start with the labeling of the function. Let fx is equal to cos x cube into sine square x raised to power 5. As you can see, it is a product of two functions. So I will use product rule. Taking derivative on both sides, LHS derivative will be f dash x, and on this side I will apply product rule. Product rule says, if this is a first function and this is a second function, the product rule says first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So I am going to write it that way only. Very carefully you have to write it. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Let's simplify further. Now, derivative of this whole function. You can see x raised to power 5 is a function which is a polynomial function on which sine has been applied, and sine square. Sine square means it is of the form sine x raised to power 5 whole square, and this derivative we are going to take, and I am going to write this as such so that you can understand it better. I have written all the detailed steps. Let's understand this. Derivative of this whole function. The outermost layer is square. The outermost layer is to take its derivative first of all. So अगर आपके पास x raised to power n होता है तो आप उसका derivative लिखते हो n into x raised to power n minus 1, means power comes in front और उसकी power reduce कर देते हो by 1. So सबसे पहले power आगे आएगी और इस basic function की एक power reduce हो जाएगी. So raised to power 2 थी, 2 minus 1 कितना आ गया 1 into derivative. Since it's a composite function, so एक एक करके layers खोलनी है आपने by chain rule. स्क्वायर आगे आ गया, एक पार रिड्यूस हो गई इनटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इनर फंक्शन साइन एक्स रेज टू पावर 5 is still left. That we'll be doing in the next step because we are doing the detailed steps. Okay, and here in this term d by dx of cos x cube, the outer layer is cos theta, derivative is minus sin theta, minus sin theta is replaced by x cube into derivative of the inner function x cube. So one by one you have to understand this derivative process by chain rule. One by one the layers will be opened up into derivatives. I am going to multiply these two terms because these are out of the derivative effect now. 2 into cos x cube into sin x raised to power 5 into derivative of this sin theta. Derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Theta is x raised to power 5. So sin theta derivative is cos theta into derivative of the inner function. Derivative of x raised to power 5. That can be written as 5 into x raised to power 4. पावर आगे आ जाएगी, एक पावर रिड्यूस होगी, प्लस sin square x raised to power 5 into minus sin x cube into derivative of x cube. It is 3x square. By the formula, derivative of x raised to power n is equal to n into x raised to power n minus 1. Just let's simplify because derivatives are done. I am going to multiply the scalars first of all. 2 into 5, 10. Then write down the polynomial function which is known as algebraic function. Then comes the turn of the trigonometric function. It is cos x cube into sin x raised to power 5 into cos x raised to power 5. All the terms have been done. Plus minus is minus. First of all scalar 3, then comes the turn of algebraic function, and then comes the turn of trigonometric functions. So this is the answer of question number 6, in which we have used product rule as well as detailed steps of chain rule.